Wow.
Yeah.
Well, that's a lesson they learned from yesterday, just not to be timid about colour.
I think it's great, and the artwork is brilliant. Norm and Jess, your play of scale, how you utilise the artwork, and you made that fireplace a feature.
What a lovely room.
It's using your gut instinct of what it needs.
For some reason, I've got a really sophisticated gut.
It was beautiful, and your sense of colour was divine.
OK, it's winner announcement time. Darren, who is our winner for our first challenge?
Right, we've got $5,000 on the line. You've all done a fantastic job today. The first winner for our Styling to Sell challenge is... Norm and Jess.
Mama told me not to come. Mama told me not to come. She said, there ain't no way to have fun. Son.
This is to teach everyone everywhere. There's a little bit of poshness in all of you. You just got to look for it. We're about to go have some wine with some ice in it, so...
Well, congratulations, Norm and Jess. $5,000 going towards your apartment. Well done.
Thank you.
That is it. You've completed your first challenge, and the block has not stopped. Get back there.